All right, so the question is, when do you run your ads? Can you turn them on a Saturday? Can you turn them on a Sunday? Can you turn them off on a Thursday? That is the question we are going to answer today. I'm going to tell you guys when you guys should start running your ads, when is the most effective to run your ads, and how to get the best bang for your buck. All right, guys, so I get this question all the time when we talk about running your advertisements and turning your advertisements on and off. And you guys as insurance agents, you guys aren't very patient with Facebook, all right? So that's tip number one, be a little more patient with Facebook. But today we're gonna talk about when you guys should turn your ads on and when you put them into publish. And I got a couple cool tips and tricks for you at the end of this video. I'm gonna share with you guys some of the stuff that I do to make my ads more effective. All right, so when you think about publishing your first advertisement or really publishing a campaign for the very first time, what you're doing is you're putting in a test to the Facebook market. All right, so let's say you publish an ad. Facebook is going to take that ad, it's going to put it somewhere in the marketplace in the newsfeed. They're going to look through and they're going to compare to the other advertisements, and based off of that performance, you're going to get a placement or you're going to get a cost per thousand results. You know, a lot of these metrics are going to go into play, and it's going to evaluate how good it thinks your advertisement is. All right. Now, so obviously as you're thinking about that is saying, okay, Facebook is evaluating my advertisement. What you want to do as an advertiser, you know, if you're trying to generate leads or you're trying to get traffic, whatever you're trying to do, you want the best option that is going to allow you to for Facebook to evaluate your ad as good, right? You don't want to place it at a time that, you know, is not going to get great results, and Facebook may punish your ads or may not even show your ads anymore because it thinks it's not a very good advertisement. So when you're talking about giving or starting your campaign for the very first time, it's really, really, really important in the time that you publish it, when we're talking about the time of day that you publish this thing. All right, so let's look at the span of the spectrum of the week. All right, you have Monday, you have all the way through Sunday. All right, so Monday's the start of the week. Monday is very much like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, all four of those days are very, very similar as far as human behavior goes. Okay, what Betsy is doing on the couch on a Thursday is very similar to what Betsy and John are doing on the couch on a Monday. All right, so that's what we want. We want some consistency. Now, when you hit Friday, it's a little bit of a blend, right? Because people go to work, but then Friday night, human behavior is a little bit different than it is during the week. And then you talk about the weekend. Saturday is a free-for-all. People don't have work, and people don't have work the next day. And Sunday can be a little bit slower at night where people may be on the computer. All right, so again, for you guys as advertisers, you want to understand that, and you want to find the best string of days or times that you guys should run your initial campaign, your initial test on, because if you can get good results off the bat, Facebook will give you preferred access to the top of the newsfeed. And if you can get preferred access to the top of the newsfeed, you will win, all right? Because not only does it give you preferred access, it also gives you access to the best people, which it thinks is the top people that are going to opt into your advertisement or that are going to be good for this ad. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, Facebook is very, very, very good at picking these people out. It knows exactly who these people are. It knows exactly what they like, and it's taking your advertisement and putting it in front of them. All right, so we want to be in that spot. All right, so how do we get in that slot? Well, starting your advertisement on a Sunday night or Monday is always the best idea. All right, for us, when we launch campaigns, we only launch campaigns on Mondays and Tuesdays. Okay, that's it. We really rarely will launch it on a Wednesday morning. If we really know what we're doing and we know the market, we can get away with launching it Wednesday morning. But typically you want to launch these things on a Monday or Tuesday so you guys can get that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of consistent Facebook behavior and work your way to the top of the newsfeed. If you guys start an advertisement on a Thursday or a Friday or even worse, a Saturday, Friday and Saturday, just throw them off the map, all right? Do not run ads on a Friday or Saturday. For insurance agents, there may be other circumstances. If you were throwing a party on a Saturday night, maybe you can advertise that day. But as far as insurance agents go, do not start your ads on a Friday or Saturday. Now, starting your ads on a Friday or Saturday are very different than running them through the weekend. You guys can run them through the weekend, that's fine. as far as running them through the week. And once you have the data, once you have that momentum from Facebook, that's what you need, the momentum. Once you have that momentum, it's totally fine, all right? Now, let's get into a couple tips and tricks when it goes to gaining that momentum on Facebook. Tip number 1 is split testing a lot of different advertisements. I speak about this all the time in pretty much every single one of my videos. So if this is your guys' first video, go check out some of the other videos. And if this is your first video, it's time to subscribe to the channel. That subscribe button is right down here. Go ahead and click that because we're putting out awesome content. All right, number 2, if you guys want to run your ads on a schedule, you can actually do that. In the ad set level, at the very bottom of the ad set level, if you click your budget, if you click to lifetime where it says daily budget, if you click the lifetime budget, underneath that will be a window that pops up that allows you to set your ads on a schedule, meaning Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday from 8 to 5 o'clock and Friday from 9 to 5, whatever it is you want to do, you can customize your ads running on that schedule, all right, which is really amazing for people who don't want to work the weekends. If you want to work Saturdays, that's great, but I recommend anytime you're generating these leads, always get to these people as quickly as possible, all right? So though that is how you do it, guys, that is where we're going to go with this. And again, don't start your ads. I guess the overarching fact of all of this is don't start your ads on a Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Get lots of tests up. Launch your ads on a Monday or Tuesday. And one other trick, if you guys want to launch on a Monday, if you do all of the work on a Monday and you click submit, it's going to take sometimes 12, 24, or even 36 hours for your ads to get approved. That means they're not running, all right, which is a problem. All right, we want them to run and start on a Monday. So in order to do that, if you set everything up on Friday, all of your tests and everything, turn the campaign off. From the campaign level, there's a little switch. Turn that switch off and leave all of the other switches on from the ad set level and the ads level. All right, that will allow those things to get into review. And if they're in review, Facebook can say, hey, these are good, you can publish them. And as soon as you flick that campaign on, it's going to take about an hour to get into the cycle, and boom, you're off to the races, all right? Hope you guys have an excellent day. If you guys like that, smash the like button. Besides that, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where those go, down in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.